Hello guys, we welcome you all to our channel Homeopathic Trials. We come up with various videos related to homeopathy and its medicines. So please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Today we are going to learn a very important winter remedy of our materia medica, that is Causticum. People requiring Causticum are always better in damp rainy season and face various troubles or physical complaints in the winter season. Causticum is a well-known remedy for winter paralysis.
We begin the study of Causticum by having a look at the central feeling of Causticum mind. Causticum patient, being a member of Kali group, is very idealistic and honest, and also strong at the same time. Thus, he has a feeling that he should take a stand for his group. Being a stronger member of the group, he should protect the rights of other weaker members of his group. Now, keeping in mind the central feeling of Causticum, we will now have a look at the various aspects of a Causticum personality. Causticum as a person is very similar to Hrithik Roshan's character in the film Super 30. Causticum patient is very idealistic and honest, just like Anand Kumar, the character of Hrithik Roshan from Super 30. This character was also a very idealistic and an honest teacher. He had many chances to earn a lot of money by teaching private coaching classes, but he opted to teach the poor people. This shows how idealistic and sympathetic he was towards others. The next important aspect of a Causticum personality is intolerance to injustice. The Causticum person just cannot tolerate any sort of injustice. He will always stand up for the weaker people of his group. A remedy which comes very close to Causticum in this particular symptom is Staphysagria. Staphysagria too cannot tolerate injustice. However, Staphysagria will take some time to retaliate, as he feels fighting or retaliating back is way below his standards and he is too dignified to fight.
A Causticum person is very sympathetic towards the suffering of others. He cannot see anyone suffering. This forces him to stand for others and protect their rights. This too can be seen in Hrithik Roshan's character of the film Super 30. He could not see the suffering of poor but intelligent children and thus stood for them and taught them and finally got them admitted in IIT. The homeopathic remedies which come very close to Causticum in this particular symptom are nitric acid and phosphorus. The difference in all the three is that nitric acid is sympathetic towards the people who support him, and phosphorus, however, is sympathetic selflessly. Causticum as a person is a very anxious personality. He constantly keeps on worrying about his close people. Most of the times, this anxiety is baseless and has no specific ground or reason for it. Example, a Causticum mother will always keep worrying about her child, despite of the child being playing or enjoying somewhere else. Now that we have understood various aspects of a Causticum personality, now let us have a look at its homeopathic uses. Causticum as a remedy acts very well on central nervous system, skin, urinary organs and respiratory system. Let us have a look at each of them one by one. Causticum works best on central nervous system. It is a topmost remedy for winter paralysis. The paralysis is mostly right-sided. It works very well on paralysis of single parts or single muscles. Causticum has a great action on drooping of the eyelids. Other remedies for this are Chlorophylum, Rustox, Sepia and Gelsemium. Causticum is almost a specific remedy for restless leg syndrome. There is a constant motion of the legs. Zincum metallicum too has this symptom. Causticum also acts wonders in cases of left-sided sciatica with numbness, heaviness of the limbs. Causticum has a very good action on the skin. Causticum is a topmost remedy for warts. Causticum can cure almost all sorts of warts. appearing around the margins of the eye, around the nose, and on the fingertips. These warts bleed easily. A remedy coming close to this symptom is nitric acid. Causticum is also a very good remedy for burns, especially for the old burns which do not get well. The next important sphere of action for this remedy is the urinary system. Causticum is almost a specific remedy for all sorts of urinary bladder complaints like incontinence of the urine or retention of urine that occurs or originates after any surgical operation like delivery or C-section, etc. Another remedy which works very well in these cases is arnica. Causticum is also a specific remedy for bedwetting of grown-up children. Baryta also cures bedwetting of grown-up children. Causticum has involuntary urination when he laughs or coughs, etc. Causticum works very well on the respiratory system too. It is a very good remedy for laryngitis with hoarseness of voice and pain in chest, which is better by talking and aggravated on stooping. The cough of Causticum is very characteristic and deep, so much that the urine spurts on coughing, and the cough is better by drinking sips of cold water. This is a very characteristic symptom of Causticum. Cough of Causticum is hard and dry and originates from tickling in the throat or in the larynx. Last but not the least, let's have a look at the physical general symptoms of Causticum. Causticum person desires for smoked meat. Another remedy having similar desire is of Calcarea fos. The Causticum person will have aversion to sweets. Causticum is usually thirsty during eating his meals. Another remedy having same symptom is lachesis. Thank you for watching our complete video. Please do share your valuable feedback with us through the comments section. Thank you.